So welcome to the Rehm booth here at IPC Apex Expo. Delighted to be joined by Michael Henke. Good to see you again, Michael.
Good to see you.
Yeah, and it's nice and exciting to be here in the US with a brand new product.
Yes, correct. Brand new product and shows us really tremendously high interested about our dispensing solution, where we can offer a complete package. Complete package means with our own applicators. Own applicators is a patent nozzle where you can jet, where you can spray, where you can dose all in one and without changing the tool.
Really? Okay, so you can have two different heads basically that can go back and forward.
In this basic machine, yes, you have two heads, but we can go up to 4 heads. So highest flexibility is also guaranteed in that way. And we have also a universal adapter where you can use also different applicators. For example, for gluing, applicators also for different materials, for 2K, what we can also integrate in that machine.
Right. Okay. That's useful. So that's basically expanded the range of valves and nozzles you can use infinitely.
Correct. So these types of the Protecto, as it's called, so protect also your electronics with our system. There's also a curtain valve available. They have a high speed, so you can also do the mass production. Coating is possible with this machine. And comes also the high request to have a complete turnkey solution.
Yes.
Turnkey solution where Rehm is able. We started in a few years in Europe, and now also in a new market in the US, we present also complete line solution.
So when you talk about turnkey solution, you've got conveyors for loading it. You've got obviously the dispensing capability here. You'll have ovens for curing it.
This is right.
What else do you have?
We have our own system, this Protecto, so there's a dispensing and coating unit. We have our own ovens, standard ovens, convection oven. And new is also our UV dryers, so also with a new material. The handling system and also magazine and all that automation we have from our partners. But important is the benefit for our customers is that we have one solution and they have the guaranteed process from one hand.
Right, okay. So basically, I mean, one of the other benefits of this, of course, it's all German engineering, so it's German quality, but it's also very easy to program.
Yeah, very easy to program. This is one of the topics that we had also on our timeline, to have also here not a safe process, to have not a complete process, to have also an easy operation for the system, which you already explained. This is German made, German development, that is true. And we have here a software which you can use also from the layouter, from the designer. Okay. Because the designer have different layouts, and they decide also the layout of the coating, and you can use this layer, import this file, ODDB plus file, very easily, and then you are ready.
So this is the Gerber data, or
this is like the Gerber data? Yeah. This is like the Gerber data, and you can integrate it without, I would say, additional programming.
Wow. Wow, it's incredible.
And as you can see here on the screen, you have also the picture of the board in behind, and you see also with the database where you put on the dots, which size have the dots. You see it really before you live do the coating.
Right. Okay. So some of the important things in terms of coating is obviously getting tight line definition, no splashes, this type of thing. What have you built into your valves to help, make them effective?
Very good question. This is a question we addressed also to our suppliers of material. From the suppliers of the material, we got all the figures. Means which pressure is needed, which temperature is needed, and all this we have in the database.
Right.
So for the customer it's also easy because we have all these figures from the well-known suppliers of the material in the database. So there is no need to have extra knowledge. All is integrated, and simple and easy also to produce.
Right. Well, it looks like you've really thought this one through. So congratulations, and it's always nice to see something new coming on the market. Of course, you're still very active over here in the United States with Condenso. That's a very important technology that you've got in the vapor phase market.
Yeah, vapor phase technology. We have this patent injection principle. This is very, very important also for heavy boards, for complex boards, for big boards.
Right.
Boards like 650 by 650 up to 800 is also possible. And the market requires also this vapor phase technology. Why? Because you have 7 times higher heat transfer with the vapor,
Yeah.
and then you have a guaranteed heat transfer on the boards with heavy masses, and the results are proven.
Right.
Last but not least, we have also the integrated vacuum,
Yeah.
so you can also suck out all the whites, and then you have also, again, easy and simple to use, but the results are safe, proven process.
Yes, absolutely. No, that's great. So, well, always good to see you at any trade show, Michael, but great to see you when you've got some new products. So thank you for showing us the Protecto today.
Thank you very much.